এসো ভালোবাসি দেশকে, দেশের মানুষকে, যাদের দুঃখের শেষ নাই। এসো ভালোবাসি দেশকে, দেশের মানুষকে, যাদের দুঃখের শেষ নাই। সেই অসহায় মানুষের মুখে হাসি ফোটাতে সাহসী মানুষ চাই, সাহসী মানুষ।
Thanks to Allah in my online class, I am Mohammad Mutiur Rahman, an assistant teacher of National Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. Dear students, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear students, I hope you are staying at your home, keeping safe and sound, maintaining social distance and the rules of health. Dear students, in my last online class, I discussed some important rules of transformation of sentence, assertive to interrogative. Now I am also discussing some important rules of transformation of sentence, assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, to transform from assertive to exclamatory or exclamatory to assertive sentence, we must identify adjective. Generally, adjective is used after very great so or an or verb. Now, let's discuss some important rules of assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, when a or an is available after verb, what will be used at the beginning of the sentence? Then we have to use a or an. After that, we have to use adjective with others. Next, we have to use subject and verb of the sentence with note of exclamation. Example: Dear students, here the sentence is, he is a very meritorious student. Here, A is available after verb is. That's why what will be used at the beginning of the sentence? After what, A or an will be used. Dear students, here the first letter of the adjective meritorious M is consonant. That's why A will be used after what. After A, adjective meritorious with other words student will be used here. After the student, the subject of the sentence he and verb is will be used here. Finally, the note of exclamation will be used here. Dear students, here we clearly remember that very great so will not be used in the exclamatory sentence as adverb. but sometimes get will be used in the exclamatory sentence as adjective. So our answer will be what a meritorious student he is. Now let's go to the next rule. Dear students, when a or an is not available after verb, how will be used at the beginning of the sentence? Then we have to use adjective with other words, with subject and verb with note of exclamation. Example. Dear students, here the sentence is he looks so very happy. Here, a or an is not available after verb looks. That's why how will be used at the beginning of the sentence. After how, adjective happy will be used here. After adjective, subject he and verb looks will be used here. Finally, the note of exclamation will be used here. Dear students, here you also clearly remember that very great stroke will not be used in the exclamatory sentence as adverb, but sometimes great will be used as adjective. So our answer will be how happy he looks. Now let's go to the next rule. Dear students, when it is a matter of joy that is available in the sentence, it is a matter of joy that will turn into hooray. After hooray, note of exclamation will be used with other parts of the sentence. Example. Dear students, here the sentence is, it is a matter of joy that I have got GPA 5. Here, it is a matter of joy that is available. That's why it is a matter of joy that will turn into hooray. After hooray, note of exclamation will be used here. After that, the other words of the sentence, I have got GPA 5 will be used here. So our answer will be hooray, I have got GPA 5. Now let's go to the next row. Dear students, when it is a matter of joy that is available in the sentence, it is a matter of, dear students, it is a matter of sorrow that is available in a sentence. It is a matter of sorrow that will turn into alas. After alas, note of exclamation will be used. Finally, the other words of the sentence with note of exclamation will be used. Example: Dear students, here the sentence is, it is a matter of sorrow that I have lost my pen. Here, it is a matter of sorrow that is available. That's why it is a matter of sorrow that will turn into alas. After alas, note of exclamation will be used here. Now, I have lost my pens. The other words of the sentence will be used here. So our answer will be, alas, I have lost my pen. Now let's go to the next rule. Dear students, when subject plus which is available in the sentence, subject plus which will turn into it, would that, or that. Then we have to use other parts of the sentence with note of exclamation. Example: dear students, here the sentence is, I wish I were a bird. Here, I wish is available. That's why I wish will turn into it, would that, or that. If after it, the other parts of the sentence, I were a bird, will be used here. Finally, note of exclamation will be used here. So our answer will be, if I were a bird. Dear students, have you understood the rules of assertive exclamatory that already I have discussed? I think you have better understood. But if you don't understand the rules of assertive exclamatory that I have discussed, you can comment on our Facebook page of school or on my YouTube channel. I will try my best to solve your problem. Dear students, already we have come to the last sessions of the day. Stay at your home, keeping safe and sound, maintaining social distance and the rules of health. When you go out from your home, you must use mask and hand sanitizer. At the same time, dear students, you will try your best to watch the educational program of Samsung TV regularly. Thank you very much.